Hello everyone. So now this is the time for our class project, and this is class project 1 where we'll be making a circle mask. And before going on to CapCut, we will see that what are the steps that we need to follow over here. So let's see what are the steps that we need to follow. So you guys can already see the name of the class project is making a circle mask. Well, I do have a description and also an outcome. So once you start doing this, just read the description. And once you get the result after following the steps, you guys can just relate to the outcome and you'll have a better understanding of the things I have tried to uh, do over here. For me, I will directly go on to the steps that we need to follow. Step 1, create a new project. Step 2, import your videos inside the projects. Step 3, place your videos in different tracks. Step 4, mask the top layer with a circle mask. Step 5, place the mask layer wherever you want. Step 6, save the file and upload it in our project panel. So now let's move on to CapCut and let's see how it actually works. So over here on my screen, as you guys can see, this is the home page of CapCut. And the first step is creating up a new project. So let's create up a new project and let's rename this one to class project 1. Okay. And now let's go to my stock materials and let's try to find a few videos from stock materials. Let's search for nature. Let's click on enter. And here you guys can see I do have this particular video right over here. I will star mark this one. And now I will just search for people. Okay. So as you guys can see, or I want a single people, so I can search with the keyword of man. Okay, so let's come here and I can just mark this one. Otherwise, I can just mark this one as well. Let's download both of these videos right over here. Otherwise, let's come here and you can download this as well. Okay, so you can download and you can just mark all of this right over here. And now let's go to the stock materials. Let's go to the favorites. And I'm going to put this video is my first layer. Okay. So as you guys can see, this is basically the first layer. And on top of that, I am going to put this particular video. Okay. So let's come here. I'll just put this particular video right over here. I will just keep both of this layer of the same size, Shift and Z to zoom to fit here in the timeline. Now let's go to the top layer, and in the top layer, I am going to go to masking option. Okay, so I'll just go and click on this circle mask. And as you guys can see, this is how I can just increase the size eventually and maybe place this all in the center as well. Okay, so now I can just place it right over here. Okay, so now this is basically done. And now what I'm gonna do over here is basically I can just move around. Let's go to basic, and now I will just scale this thing down and I can just place this in one corner. Okay, so as you guys can see, now you guys will be able to see simultaneously both the video will be played. Okay, so as you guys can see, and if at any moment I need to make sure that I have to change anything at all. Okay, so I will just come here. Let's select this. Let's go to basic. Let's place it right over here, and I can just place this thing around, and you guys can see now it is working like a b-roll footage, and the frame is actually covering all of it. Okay, so now the next thing left is just add an audio. Okay, let me just put out this audio right over here. So let me just place my audio, and I will just trim it up a bit. Let's place it over here, and B to get the split tool. A, let's click on delete, and this is the final outcome. So yeah, now is exporting. I'll just click on export. Let's go to desktop. Let's go to my resource file. I'll select this particular folder. I'll name this one as class project 1, and I'll just click on export, and this particular video will basically get exported. So yeah, I hope this was clear, and make sure to upload it in our project panel. Once you're done, then I can check those and get back to you guys. So take care everyone. See you all in the next chapter.